Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to give you a quick market update. And I wish I had better news to show you, but anyway, here we go. We'll start on the weekly. We had a very bearish candle close, and so that's two very bearish candles right now. And you can see here, this is the recent value area. This is the high, this is the low. And typically when you close inside a value area, and especially if you lose the point of control, then it's most likely that you will revisit the bottom of that value area, which lines up with around 88K. Let's see the oscillators. Yeah, so we've had a bearish cross down, but this is on the weekly, so it's not uncommon to see price continue, even though, like, for example, back in 2021, you had bearish crosses, but look, price kept going up, right? So we might be seeing something like that. For the record, I do not think that the market is over and that we're crashing or anything like that. We are having a healthy correction. We've had two confirmed bearish weekly closes, and let's go down to the daily. So here it is on the daily. You'll notice that the value area changes slightly because we're on the daily at this point. But I do think that it does look like coming down perhaps even below 90. If I turn the, let's see, what do we got here? Top and bottom, the TC indicators, it does actually show that we've got a nice chance of pump. And it's also interesting because I noticed that their breakout zone indicator is saying that we might have a pump soon on the daily. So it wouldn't surprise me if we come down here, scare the hell out of everyone. It could come as low as 80, or hell, it could go as low as it wants, right? But at this point, it seems to me like if we look at the, here we go. We have here now the moving averages, and on the daily, we're now retesting the 50. And if we lose that, then revisiting the 100 EMA would bring us down to 85. There are some FVGs down here that are possibly ripe for taking out. Now, I want to show you the liquidity zones. Also, a lot of confluence here, coming down as low as 86. So this is a very juicy level of liquidity. A lot of stop losses and 100x, 10x, 100x, 25x degens would get completely wiped out here, and that is likely what I think the market is setting up to do. There is liquidity down here at 79, so let's not rule that out. Me personally, I have some limit buy orders down at around 80K flat. Low leverage limit buy orders down there. You could also put limit orders on any alts that you want cheaper. You could put some cheeky limit orders down. Let's see. Fear and greed is getting a nice little correction here because we were up in extreme greed for a while. So if we might come down as far as here, down to 50 again. Let's see. I would actually love to see that. And remember, guys, buy fear, sell greed, right? As much as it's going to likely be painful if we do come down like this, yeah, it definitely looks extremely bearish. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Look, we've lost all EMAs now beneath all of the major EMAs. So the pressure is definitely down, bearish. Yeah, momentum is to the downside. So brace yourselves. I personally am not like trying to sell and get cute to buy lower. I think if you were going to do that, only put aside like whatever 10% or something. But if anything, this is not a time to sell. This is a time to be buying. At this stage of the market and like coming into the new year, we got Trump coming into office soon. Now, I do think that potentially this USDT being banned is a potential catalyst to freak the market out. There's always Tether FUD has always been a good one to freak everyone out and cause nice drops. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance real quick. Yeah, this is good for our alts. There's downward pressure. It had a retest up here, rejection, and now hopefully coming down. If this follows what we're expecting it to, this is going to come all the way down, and that will be our monstrous alt season. Interestingly enough as well, USDT dominance is rising, and this is a great sign. ETH dominance also taking a little, not sure what this is from. That doesn't make any sense. But yeah, ETH dominance starting to pick up. Let's look at, well, let's see, where was it? Others. Yeah. I wanted to look, oh, here. The Dixie, we don't want this to continue pumping. It's just broken through resistance, which is not necessarily a good sign for risk assets. We want this to break down, but currently that is not what's happening. So yeah, it definitely seems like the pressure is going to be from sellers right now on risk assets. And here is the USDT dominance, which has taken a bounce. We want this to fall, which is good for our bags. It'll be interesting to see whether USDT, because this is actually for Tether dominance, right? So with this whole Tether FUD, and Europe, I believe, is it the 30th, or anyway, 30th or 31st, Europe is asking all the exchanges to delist, which, yeah, let's see what happens. All right, take care, guys. Bye.